So I met some nice people there whilst I was getting my shoes done. On the outside, it's all mucky. Brother, can you clean these shoes?
Yeah.
How much?
150.
150. Okay, I do for 150. How much would you pay for this? Tell me, I don't mind, I will pay him 150, but how much would you pay?
He's
saying 150.
I know, I will pay 150, but what is the Indian price? Tell me the Indian price. Brother, thank you. Maybe there is a shoe cleaner down here. See if he fancies the job. It doesn't look like he has all the tools. I mean, maybe I could ask him. Brother, can you clean these shoes? How much?
150.
150. Okay, I do for 150. How long will it take?
Half an hour.
Half an hour, no problem. I can wait. So this is the current state of the shoe. Filthy. On the outside, it's all mucky. I can sit here as well. So I will sit here, and this guy's going to give it a full cleaning. Hello mate, how are you? Good, good. Scrub, scrub, scrub. You can already see the muck just coming off. How many shoes do you clean per day? Do you clean many shoes per day?
First.
No? This is the first?
Yeah.
First today? Wow, well, they're looking really good. Already you can see the difference. Look at them. They're so clean and white.
Have fun, have fun.
They're like a new shoe. Oh, this man has a rip. This man has a rip in his shoe. So he's done the outside pretty damn well. Now the inside's what needs a good clean, but I think I'm gonna have to use a washing machine for that. So he's on the next one. Now this has cost us £1.50. The last guy offered us £1.50, but I didn't want to buy it too much. He was just chilling on his phone, and if it makes him, it's a good price really, £1.50 to have my clean shoes. There'll probably be some people say that that's ridiculously expensive, but I feel he's doing a good job. Keeping the shoes clean. How much would you pay for this? Roughly?
How much? 150.
Is that a lot?
No, no, you know Hindi. You know Hindi.
I know no Hindi, but I can guess. He's getting a good deal. I know he's getting a good deal.
Jada means extra.
From England.
From England.
Yes, sir. How much would you pay for this? Tell me, I don't mind. I will pay him 150, but how much would you pay?
He's saying 150.
I know, I will pay 150. I will pay 150. But what is the Indian price? Tell me the Indian price.
188.
Yeah? Okay. So I pay double. I pay double.
You pay double?
I pay 150.
Yeah. $1.50.
Yeah, about £1.50. I'm from England, so yeah, £1.50. I'd pay
England.
England.
From
Yeah.
England.
Premier League. You watching Premier League?
Premier League, yeah, I love.
Yes.
Who's your team? Oh, you're
Arsenal.
gonna win the league.
Yeah.
You're gonna win the league. You're gonna win. I think you're gonna win the league.
We are the topper.
So he's finished.
Which county?
England, from Leeds. Leeds.
Leeds United.
Leeds United. This man knows football. Right, we paid the Western price. Here we go. How much? 100
150.
and 50 for the good man. There we go, brother.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Brother, thank you. Have a good day. Ciao. What's that? What is
You
this?
eating? No? Sugar.
Sugar. I don't know. It's okay. I don't eat things off the street,
No,
unfortunately.
free good luck. This
Brother.
is temple.
How much do you want? You gonna charge
No
me?
money.
No
Free.
money. I don't want this though. So do you want this?
प्रथम काते करावत
Come to a nice-
महाकासुर कोटि संप्रभा निर्विन कुर्मे देम मैसर कार्य सर्वदाओं त्रियंबिके जामहि सुगंधि पुष्टुवा धर्मरुवा रुक्राइम मंदन मरत मोची मंता नारायणी नमोस्तुते भगवते वासुदेवाय नमो
I
नमः
like it.
जयंती भद्रकाली दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा सदा नमस्कृत्वा तटुनु महाकासुर कोटि संप्रभा निर्विन
Nice
कुर्मे
out
देम
now,
मैसर
right by
कार्य
the wrist.
सर्वदा श्वेतांबरे स्तोलक्ष्मी ननम माया दत्तम ग्रहाणाम परमेश्वरम
Thank you.
विटे
I don't want, thank you. Brother, I appreciate that though. Very kind.
गुड लक
Appreciate it. Goodbye. So I got myself a bracelet. A good luck bracelet. Very kind of him. So I met some nice people there whilst I was getting my shoes done. It cost me 150, which they were all laughing at. They said roughly it'd be around 80. But we don't mind. We don't mind giving back to the people. And then he wanted to give me some sugar, he said. But I don't really take things to eat off of people on the street. As I'm sure you can understand, it's not really the done thing to do. Now, I've just seen over here one of the bougiest Starbucks coffee shops. Nearly fell down the curb. Look at that. Look at how nice that Starbucks is there. On the edge of the Taj Palace. Beautiful. But we're gonna head down to the beach, which I believe is this way. We're just taking a walk around this part of Mumbai today, on the edge of the palace. I have smudges on my camera. So, another thing that I need to get done is the hair. Check the hair out. I mean, I have the hat hair. I know that I do. But I need to get it sorted out. However, I don't want to get it done here because I know that it'll be a rip-off for me anyway. Won't be a rip-off, but it'll be expensive compared to what I could pay. So, hello boys. I'm going to try and find somewhere. Maybe I can get my hair cut. But we're back on this side of India's gate, the gateway to India, just here. And we're going to cross over to look at the ocean, all the boats out at sea. Check out the beautiful. Hello boys, nice to meet you. How are you? Good, good. The ocean here. There's some people swimming. YouTube.